Alright guys, what's going on? We're gonna try and make this carbon fibre come back to life. So that's what it looks like, should look like. That's what it looks like here. So this is James's Miata, by the way. We just got it. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see on the story that he just got this sick Miata. Comes with wheels, drilled and slotted rotors. It's on coils. We don't know what kind. Has Federals, 595s all around for the tires. So yeah, so basically, I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't looked up any videos on how to do this, but the way I do it for taillights is, you
fucking detergent on my car.
You wet sand it with soapy water. We use detergent.
Good enough.
And so basically we're using 1000 grit, and then we're gonna go to 2000 grit and just sand. You know what I mean? Literally just gonna sand this. Obviously, it probably won't film the whole thing because that would be super boring.
I wonder how much horsepower it's gonna add. I'm like,
but yeah, you can see the old stuff coming off.
oh, that's nasty.
Yeah, look how gross that is.
What that reminds me of?
What? We're gonna do 1000 grit right now, and I'll have Yemo help me, and then we're gonna come back with 2000 grit, and then we're gonna polish it with the orbital. So, I'll show you guys that. Okay. We're now on the 2000.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's up?
Hey, we wet.
And we're getting there, just doing some circular motions. I don't know. I don't care which way you sand it, straight or circular. Whatever.
I mean, it's kind of like cleaning dishes. Just do that circular motion.
Yeah. But super.
Dude. These are brand new, man. Designer, bro.
But it's super soft right now. Like, it's super slick.
Damn, bro, feel that.
So that's it.
Feels like fucking butter.
Yeah, this is it just with, like, before you guys saw it, it was really bad. Okay, now it's starting to dry. So it's gonna dry and get really hazy and matte. And then all we're gonna do is polish it, and it'll look like it's wet and just brand new 24/7. So
The essentials right here, boys.
all right, so you got the orbital, Harbor Freight.
Yes, sir.
Then we
Sponsor.
have Ultimate Polish McGuire's polish. So polish, you don't want to let it dry like wax. You just want to put it on and then rub it off.
1, 2, 3.
So just kind of get her on there.
Yes, sir.
You could do this by hand, but it would take literally forever. And the cool thing about this is that you could also like polish your trunk.
Hey,
You can do everything. It'll just make everything better. But it's not gonna look dank until you gotta wax it. So after you wipe off all the polish, you gotta wax it after.
Damn. That actually looks fucking good. Alright, Karen, what we adding on here?
So now we got some Carnauba wax. This is pure Brazilian Carnauba wax.
Harbor Freight. Oh my goodness. Yo.
Put a new one on.
Yes, sir.
So usually you want to do this in the shade, not in the sun, but it's James. So
Yo, this is Miata. We don't got time for that.
the thing about wax is that you want to let it dry and haze. So once you get the haze from the wax, then you can take it off. All right, time to take this off. Woo-hoo-hoo. And she's restored.
Somewhat.
Check that out.
Damn, bro.
That looks good.
Looks like better than the other side.
So I didn't even know I could restore carbon fiber, but I guess I can.
You know what, dude? Karen can do anything. Can solve car problems. Help a friend out when.
Heck, obviously you can see a few marks, but
Yeah. But hey, man, that is way 10 times,
but
100 times better.
That still looks good. Like you can see swirl marks in the pure sun, but look at that. That looks chilling.
For that. I'm gonna be like so far in front of people, they're not gonna really be
they
able to
won't
see
really
it.
notice.
They won't really
they're
see
not
it.
gonna see the swirls. Too
Like,
far.
once I hit like third gear, like I'm already way down.
You're kinda gone, man.
I mean, I think it has like 87 horsepower to the dyno,
Or something like that.
something like that. I don't
No,
even
87
know.
at the crank for sure.
Sure.
Watching basically 1,000 grit, 2,000 grit, wet sand, polish, wax. You can use any polish or any wax if you're kind. This is one I always use. I use different kinds of wax, but I always use this polish. So, thanks for watching.